stop guessing on why your external monitor is losing signal while gaming on the ROG Ally dock. This is exactly how you beat it without failing once. Most other tutorials are confusing or just plain wrong because they tell you to replace your HDMI cable and walk away. But before we enter the settings, you need to understand the logic or you will just get stuck again. We're going to do this hand in hand and step by step. So it is impossible for you to fail this fix. Rexus is the authority on these docking glitches because we know how the Ally's power delivery system and AMD Radeon drivers often conflict during high-load gaming sessions. You are in the middle of a boss fight, and your screen goes black, making you feel like your dock is defective, but the solution is actually hidden in your power management settings. Listen closely. The secret trick other creators missed is that Windows Link State Power Management tries to put your USB-C port to sleep during intense GPU spikes to save power, which kills the video signal instantly. To fix this right now, go to your Windows control panel. Select Power Options, and click Change Plan Settings for your active plan. Go to Advanced Power Settings, find PCI Express, and set Link State Power Management to off for both battery and plugged-in states. The logic here is to force a constant data stream to the dock, regardless of power draw. Next, open your AMD software. Go to Gaming, then Display, and toggle off AMD FreeSync and RSR for the external monitor, as many third-party docks cannot handle the variable handshake, while the Ally is in 30W turbo mode. Finally, the pro tip is to always plug your charger directly into the Ally's second port if you're using the Ally X, or ensure you're using a 100 WPD brick for the original model to prevent the low wattage signal drop. Your external monitor will now stay locked on and crystal clear even during the heaviest gameplay. If you want the solution for the next